Executive Recruiters Association. My co-convener, Amit. We welcome you to this breakfast meeting. The agenda today is for the recruitment industry to discuss with the BFSI or the financial services industry their challenges in terms of talent acquisition, talent management. For you to also share with us some positive, negative experiences. What would you expect from us as a community rather than individually? So with that agenda, I want to get started, but before we introduce the speakers, what I wanted to do was introduce our new sponsor. This is Platina Software and Raj Batra, who's the director. Raj wants to spend some time talking about his product, and he also has some incredible testimonials from what I understand. So Raj, over to you, and then I will introduce the speakers.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yes. Yeah, my name is Raj, and I'm the managing director at Platina Software. We are the makers of the SkillPoint family of recruitment automation products. So I'll move in this fashion. Initially, I'll give you an introduction to our company and a little bit about our products. And then we'll talk about how recruitment automation software is intrinsically different from ERP systems or HRIS systems as we understand them. We started as WebPlanes Information Systems in 2003. Our first product was SkillPoint Workgroup. It had quite a few firsts to its credit. The first was that it was the first browser-based product in the market, in the space. Second was that it was the only software which could do automatic resume extraction out of incoming email. And there were a few others. We got instant success. We got organizations like Spenta, Newera, Inputs, Catalyst to sign up for our technology. Spenta is present today with us, Sharmila and Khushru, and Newera, Mr. Arvind is there, so I thank them for coming. We reorganized ourselves as Platina in 2009. Today we have done more than 300 plus installations all over India. We offer our technology in the form of two product lines. One is SkillPoint Placement, which is for the placement, staffing and search organizations. And the other is the SkillPoint Corporate product, which is for the corporate HR recruitment. It's suited for 1 to 500 concurrent users. Our single biggest location installation is Newera, Delhi, where there are more than 225 concurrent users. Smallest, of course, single user, and we have a few of those as well. The products come in various editions, each catering to the needs of a recruitment team of particular kind. Soho is there, 1 to 10 users. When your data needs are limited, say you want to manage 50,000 to 1 lakh resumes, and your reporting needs, of course, fairly limited. Then the next one is SMB standard, single location, large amount of data. You can keep as much data as you want. You have a few teams in the same location, and you get full reporting. The next one is SMB powered. You get everything that is there in SMB standard, along with secure and high performance access over the internet. So if you have multiple locations or if you have roaming users, you go with the SMB powered product. Then the next one is the Premier product, which allows you to do serious customization when it comes to your workflow management and when it comes to your reporting goals. We deliver our technology in various licensing modes. The first one is perpetual, everyone understands it. You pay the full price upfront, and then you sign up for the AMC for second year onwards. We have a lease model as well. You make initial payment, and then there is quarterly subscription. And then the last one is the SaaS model, software as service. We are the only vendor in the country which is offering the SaaS model for recruitment technology. There also the quarterly subscription model is there. That was all I wanted to share with you about the company and the product. We have left a copy of our brochure on your table, so you can refer to it later on. And if you have any queries, I and my team will be more than happy to address that after this gathering. Now, let's move on to this thing. Why recruitment automation software has very different needs? Why are they different from ERP systems or HRIS systems? Before we get into that, let's look at the entities or the concepts that we deal with in recruitment automation. We deal with candidates, we deal with companies, industries, job functions, skills, technologies, vendors, agreements, resumes, portals, social sites. So all these have to come together for recruitment automation to work. So the problem is not trivial by any definition. These entities are all related to each other, and those relationships need to be managed properly. Now, how recruitment automation software is different? Well, the first one is the type of data it manages. A lot of data is unstructured. You get resumes in a free format manner. Each candidate writes his or her resume in a manner which is sort of good for them. And then you have various formats, PDF, Word. There was a time when resumes also came in the message body. People didn't like attachments, and even that data had to be handled properly. There is a mix of structured and unstructured data. Structured data you can't escape, because if you are managing your workflow, you are going to have that kind of structured data. So the software has to be capable of tackling both kinds of data in a very systematic fashion. The next is that a lot of your data is partially incomplete. So let's say if you are mapping a company, the data gets added in a gradual fashion. On the day one, you have very little data, but the software should provide you ways to sort of get started very quickly and add on to it. And at the same time, this incomplete data should be a resource. It should be available in the same fashion that the complete data is available. The last thing is that most of the data for recruitment sits outside your company. It's the candidates you are dealing with, it's the portals you are interacting with, it's the professional sites like LinkedIn that you are interacting with. All that data is outside of your company. Whereas in an ERP system or an HRIS system, all your data is on people internal to your organization. So the data which is external, one, it is many times more, and two, it is not all readily usable, but still it should be effective. We looked at the entities earlier. So those entities are all related to each other. Some of those relationships are definite, like if you get a resume and that candidate is from, say, company A. Okay, there is a relationship between company A and that candidate. But there is a company B which is similar to company A, say ABN AMRO Bank and Citibank, right? So if the candidate is from Citibank, there is a relationship between ABN and the candidate as well. It's an indirect relationship. The candidate is good for that company. So the software should maintain those automatic relationships as well. And all these relationships are not immediately productive. Some may become productive after 2 years, some may become productive after 1 year, but still they have to be maintained very properly. You can't lose those relationships. Then the interactions that happen in recruitment space, they go over a period of time. They could be as short as 2 to 3 days, or they could be as long as 2 to 3 months. An interaction captures all the activity you perform on a candidate for a particular position. And most of those interactions are non-final. If you are working on 5 candidates, one guy joins the position. But still those 4 non-final interactions, they should be tracked equally well and not lost track of while you are working on future positions. Also, the process is often repeated. The same candidate gets worked on multiple times. So you need to maintain the full history. Even the first thing you did on the candidate and the last thing also you did on the candidate. Because each work you do on any such position is refining your understanding of the candidate. So you need to reuse most of your old interactional data, and the software should be capable of doing that. Then this is an important differentiation. Your playing field is always changing. In an ERP system or an HRIS system, you frame the rules at the beginning of the financial year and you say, okay, this is how it goes, except for minor tweaks at some point during the year. But here, since your entire interaction is with